Say next 44th problem. If A, B, C, D are in AP with integer terms such that B square equal to A square plus B square plus C square. So then optionals are not all optional. This is passage. So first one, what is D? What is A10? What is A plus 2B plus 3C plus 4D values? So by heart, the four terms are in AP which are integers satisfied by only four values. They are -1, 0, 1, 2. Sorry. A, B, C, D are in AP with integers such that D square equal to square of fourth one equal to sum of the squares of other three and satisfy చేసే only ఒకే ఒక కేసు వచ్చింది. There are -1, 0, 1, 2. So from these four values you can find first one, second one and third one. Next 45th model repeated. So answer 1 minus log 5 raised to. So yesterday was sum చేసాం already. Same అలాగే చేయండి. Next 46th one. See, number of terms of AP is even. Sum of odd terms is 24. Sum of even terms is 30. The last term exceeds the first two by 10 by 2. Then number of terms is first given number of terms is even. So first I am issuing terms A plus B, A plus 2B and so on. Nth number of terms is even. So 2n is even number. 2nth term is A plus 2n minus 1 into D. Okay. So 2n terms T1, T2, T3 and so on T2n. Next given sum of odd terms is 24. Means A plus first one plus third one. Number of terms 2n and of them n is even, n is odd. So A plus 3D plus and so on n terms. That is 24. So sum of n terms of formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d value common difference not d. A plus 3d minus a into 2d not d equal to 24. Cancel with 2. Then into 2 a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 24. Similarly, sum of even terms is 30. Even terms means second term plus fourth term and so on up to n terms. Number of even terms is also n. So formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. Here same d. In this case also d is 2d. Common difference is 2d equal to 30. Cancel into 2. A plus d plus n minus 1 into d equal to 30. Okay. Now what is other one? Last term exceeds the first term by 10 by 2. Means last term minus first term is 10 by 2. What is last term? A plus 2n minus 1 into d minus first term a equal to 10 by 2. A cancel. So by solving these two, we can find the values of a, n and d. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Right, just to subtract it, n minus 1 into n minus 1 into d, n into n minus 1 into d cancel, na cancel, minus nd equal to minus 6. Nd value 6. So by substitute that nd value here, get the value of d. Again by using d, we can find the value of n. So solving very easy. See next 47th one. sigma r equal to 1 to n r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 3 equal to a n power 4 plus b n cube plus c n square plus b n plus e. Then the values of a, b, c and d. So more than one answer type to optionals relations among a, b, c and d. And a, b, c, d వచ్చేస్తే a, b, c, d values వచ్చేస్తే options వచ్చేస్తాయి. So more than one. దీనికి ఆర్డినరీ ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్ కి సంబంధం లేదు. ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ వన్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఇండక్షన్. ఇలా చాలా వస్తుంది చూసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే r plus 1 into 2r plus 3 2r square 3r plus 2r 5r plus 3 again multiply 2r cube plus 5r square plus 3r. Okay, now sigma r equal to 1 to n. Formulas 2 into r cube formula n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 sigma r square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus sigma r formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Total simplify by compare corresponding coefficients, get the value of a, b, c, d and e. Then optional, see the options. Next, 48th one. If the sum of n terms of AP is a plus bn plus cn square, then first term the value of a, the value of common. First term the value of a and the value. A అంటే first term కాదు, ఇక్కడ a. Next common difference. Easy, చెప్పండి notes లో. Nth term is first degree expression. Sum of n terms of AP is quadratic expression చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. So we know that formula by heart చేయాల్సిన అవసరం చెప్పండి కదా. We know that formula for sum of n terms of AP n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is మనకున్న formula, but that is given. Sum of n terms of AP is given, that is cn square plus bn plus d. By equating corresponding terms, get the values. Yes, ఇక్కడ a అంటే ఇక్కడ a అంటే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ AP p1 రాస్తాను అంటే ఇది కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. రైట్, n స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ RHS n by 2 into n into d. Therefore n కోఎఫిషియంట్ కదా, n by 2 into n into d, n square coefficient d by 2, d by 2 value c. Therefore common difference is 2c. Next, coefficient of n. Coefficient of n అంటే n into this one 2 cancel. Coefficient of n is first term p1. ఇక్కడ n by 2 into minus d ఉంది కదా, so n coefficient minus d by 2 equal to b. Okay, therefore first term p1 equal to d by 2 plus b. d by 2 అంటే c రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, so c plus b. Thus first term is b plus c. You get a constant term. No constant term here, so clearly constant term is 0. Okay, easy అయినా మనకి రైట్ ఐడియా రావాలి. Sum of n terms of AP is quadratic expression. Nth term of AP is linear expression in the variable n. See 49th one, last one. Concentric circles of radian 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 100 centimeters are drawn. Okay, radius 1, radius 2 circle, radius 3 circle, radius 4 circle, radius 5 circle and so on, radius 100 circles are drawn. Interior of the smallest circle colored red. రెడ్ కలర్ తో మొత్తం బ్లాక్ చేసాను. Angular regions colored alternately green and red so that. So ఇది రెడ్ కదా, నెక్స్ట్ గ్రీన్, ఈ కలర్ మొత్తం గ్రీన్, నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళా రెడ్, నెక్స్ట్ గ్రీన్, నెక్స్ట్ రెడ్ అండ్ సో అప్ టు 100. So required then the total area of the green regions. Okay, and then area of this part plus area of this part plus area of next part and so on. Green color వేసింది ఈ మధ్యలో ఉన్న దానికి, ఈ మధ్య రెడ్ కంపల్సరీ. సో క్లియర్, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ సర్కిల్ మైనస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ సర్కిల్. therefore pi 2 square pi area of the circle formula pi r square, radius of second one 2, that of first one is 1 plus pi into ఇక్కడ ఈ ఏరియా 1 2 3 4 కదా, 4 అంటే 4 స్క్వేర్, ఇది దీని రేడియస్ 3, therefore 4 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 3 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఇది అర్థమైంది 2 1 3 4 నెక్స్ట్ 6 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 5 స్క్వేర్ అండ్ సో ప్లస్ ఫాలో అవుతారా, ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ మైనస్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. therefore లాస్ట్ 100 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 99 స్క్వేర్. సో మొత్తం పై కామన్ తీస్తే 4 మైనస్ 1 3 ప్లస్ నెక్స్ట్ 16 మైనస్ 9 7 ప్లస్ 36 మైనస్ 25 11 అండ్ సో సో పై ఇంటూ సో దే ఆర్ ఇన్ AP. అలా కాకుండా ఇవి ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు చూసుకోండి డైరెక్ట్గా, మీకు 3 అంటే 1 ప్లస్ 2 వస్తుంది చూడండి, 7 అంటే 3 ప్లస్ 4 వస్తుంది చూడండి. అంటే ఏం లేదు, మీకు ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఏ మైనస్ బి కదా, ఏ మైనస్ బి కేస్ 1 అయిపోతుంది కదా, ఏ మైనస్ బి కేస్ అన్నింటిలో 1 అయిపోతుంది. ఇక మిగిలిన మొత్తం 1 ప్లస్ 2 4 ప్లస్ 3 6 ప్లస్ 5 అండ్ సో ఆన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, అంటే ఏం లేదు. సో నెక్స్ట్ టైం వస్తుంది 5 ప్లస్ 6, లాస్ట్ టైం వస్తుంది అండ్ సో ఆన్ 99 ప్లస్ 100. సో 1 ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ అండ్ సో ఆన్ ప్లస్ 100 సిగ్మా n సిగ్మా r ఫార్ములా n into n plus 1 by 2, n is 100. so pi into 100 into 1 by 2. so arithmetic progression was completed. Next progression, geometric progression. All of you know about basics of geometric progression. Already 10th lo first unit chesaru. So say first form of the terms of GP, AR square, AR cube and so on. Nth term of AP formula, A into R power n minus 1. A is first term, R is common ratio. That is that R is second one by first one, or third one by second one, or fourth one by third one, etc. And common ratio in terms of nth term, Tn by Tn minus 1. Next, nth term from any, nth term from any, Tn dash, nth term from any formula, L by R power n minus 1, where L is the last term, R is common ratio. M అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇస్తారు కదా, what is third term from ending of GP, what is 10th term from ending of GP అంటే n plus 10. Next, sum of n terms of AP formula, A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Sum of infinite number of terms of GP, sum of n terms of GP formula, sum of an infinite number of terms of GP formula, A by 1 minus R. But here range of R less than 1 means lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Next, A1, A2, A3 and so on, An are in GP. Then K into A1, K into A2 and so on are also in GP. A1 by K, A2 by K and so on are also in GP. A1 power some constant, a2 power some constant, a3 power some constant are also in GP. So, and some product of the values from beginning and ending at equidistant are equal. Means product of first one and last one, a1 into an equal to product of second one and second one from ending. Means a2 into an minus 1 equal to a3 into an minus 2 equal to, and so on. Okay. So these are properties of GP. You obviously do pictures కావాలంటే. Next to geometric progression. Geometric mean. Formula for geometric mean of a1, a2, a3 and so on an is product of the numbers whole power 1 by number of numbers. Geometric mean of n numbers formula product of the numbers whole power 1 by n. Geometric mean of two numbers root of ab. Geometric mean of three numbers abc whole power 1 by 3, etc. One concept in GP, that is if n geometric means G1, G2, G3 and so on Gn are inserted between two numbers a comma b, then results, four results. They are in the progression is GP. Formula for rth term, formula for common ratio of the GP. Next, formula for G1, G2, G3 and so on in terms of small a comma small b, and product of n geometric means inserted between a and b in terms of a comma b. Then a b lo chusam kada same alage. So G1 is geometric mean of a comma G2. G2 is geometric mean of G1 comma G3. G3 is geometric mean of G2 comma G4 and so on, and that is possible only when G1 is AR, G2 is AR square, this is AR cube, this is AR power n minus R power n. 3 unte 3, 2 unte 2 kada, including this one kada. Therefore, a into r power n plus 1. To check cheyandi, ఇవన్నీ geometric means అవుతాయి చూడండి. Geometric mean of these two formula root of product of these two, root of product of these two ఇదే అవుతుంది చూడండి. Similarly, root of product of these two is ar square and so on. So, if G1, G2, G3 and so on Gn geometric means are inserted between small a comma small b, then they are in GP. Again. Second one, formula for common ratio. By equating these two, get the value of r. What is r? First r power n plus 1 is b by a. Therefore, r equal to b by a whole power n plus 1. Next, formula for G1, G2, G3 and so on Gn. G1 and ar. R means b by a whole power 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, G2 is ar square, a into b by a whole power 2 by n plus 1 and so on. Therefore, Gk equal to a into b by a whole power k by n plus 1. Okay, a is first term, b is last term, k and a number istar kada, right? n means number of geometric means between a and b. Last one, product of n geometric means. Product of n geometric means G1 into G2 into and so on Gn. And ఏమవుతుంది a into ar into and so on ar power n plus 1. R power n. Now product of these a into and so on n times means a power n. R into r square into and so on ar square and so on ar power n. A into A into n times r into r square r power and so on. The r power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on, n means n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to a n into r value. R value b by a into b by a whole power 1 by n plus 1 whole power n into n plus 1 by 2. n plus 1 cancel. So a power n into b by a whole power n by 2. b power n by 2 by a power n by 2. a power n by 2 is a power n by 2. Means ab whole power n by 2. Means ab whole power 1 by 2 and root ab whole power n. So this is formula for product of n arithmetic means inserted between two numbers a and b. So in this topic you have to by heart three form or four results by heart. N geometric means inserted between two fixed numbers, then including these n values they are in GP. Formula for common ratio of that GP. Formula for kth geometric mean of that GP. Formula for n product of n geometric means of that geometric means G1 into G2 into and so on. So the 4 by heart. So theory related to geometric prohibition was completed. Next problems related to geometric prohibition. See first one. The value of 0.2 whole power log base root 5 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus up to infinity. Okay. So numerator power clearly they are in GP with common ratio 1 by 2 and infinite number of terms. Formula for that a by 1 minus r. So a by 1 minus r. So 1 by 2. 1 by 4 by 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay na? So base root 5. The root 5 means 5 power 1 by 2. 5 power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 front ki 2 vastundi. From one of the logarithm properties. ఇక్కడ 5 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ కూడా 5 ఉంటే హ్యాపీ కదా ప్రాపర్టీ ఉంది కదా సో 0.2 మీన్స్ 1 by 5 1 by 5 మీన్స్ 5 పవర్ -1 మళ్ళీ -2 ఎక్కడ రాసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవచ్చు 5 5 సేమ్ అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 1 by 2 whole power -2 therefore answer 4. See second one. In a GP, first term is 3, nth term is 96, sum of n terms is 189, then number of terms is. So clear solving. See, first term means as usual notation, first term is a is 3, nth term is a into r power n minus 1 equal to 96. Sum of n terms formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 equal to 189. Then number of terms n. 3 unknowns, 3 conditions solve chesukochu kada. Okay na? 3 unknowns a, r and n. ఒకసారి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆప్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఆప్షన్స్ లేకుండా చేయొచ్చు లెండింగ్ వస్తుంది కొన్ని కేసులు ఆ లెందీ కూడా రాదు లెందీ కాదు అసలు కట్ అవ్వచ్చు సాల్వింగ్ అనేది అంటే మనకి ఇవి లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కాదు కదా పవర్స్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు సాల్వింగ్ కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు ఇన్ దట్ కేస్ 100% ఆప్షనల్ ఈక్వేషన్ చేసుకోవాలి లేకపోతే ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ లో గెస్ చేయాలి ఆర్ అండ్ ఎన్ వాల్యూస్ అలా కొన్ని కేసులు ఉంటాయి చేస్తాం తెలుస్తుంది మీకు 5 6 8 9 ఆప్షన్స్ రైట్. ఏ వాల్యూ 3, ఇక్కడ ఏ ప్లేస్ లో 3 రాస్తాం. 3 రాస్తే 3 3s 3 2s. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏ ప్లేస్ లో 3 రాస్తుంటే 3 6s 3 3s. రైట్. r power n minus 1 equal to 32. r power n, చూడండి ఇక్కడ నుంచి సాల్వింగ్ 2 వేరియబుల్స్ n, 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ సాల్వింగ్ అంటే చేసుకోవచ్చు మామూలుగా. r power r equal to, ఇక్కడ r equal to 32 whole power 1 by n minus 1 రాసి ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్ చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే వస్తుంది. రాకపోవచ్చు, అప్పుడైనా లాస్ట్ మనం r ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తాం, అప్పుడైనా n గెస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. బట్ ఈ రెండింటి ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ హింట్ 32 ఉంది. some value power, some value 32 అంటేనే 2 power 5 అని అయిపోతుంది కదా మనకి. అయితే ఆ r వాల్యూ 2, n minus 1 equal to 5, n వాల్యూ 6. అదే వాల్యూస్ ఇక్కడ కూడా సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తేనే తీసుకుంటాం ఆన్సర్ కింద. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆప్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేయలేదు చూడండి. సో r equal to 2, n equal to 6. ఓకేనా. 2 power 6 is 64 minus 1, 63 by 2 minus 1, 63. Okay, so r value 2, n value 6. Required is n, therefore 6 answer. Third one, sum of n terms of 6 plus 66 plus 666 plus 4 6s plus and so on up to n terms. So it won't important. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ మీరే ప్రాబ్లం క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. 6 ప్లస్ వర్చువల్స్ నెంబర్ తీసుకొని చేయొచ్చు కదా. సో వర్కింగ్ రూల్ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ 6 కామన్ అయితే తీస్తే 1 డబల్ 1 ట్రిపుల్ 1 4 1s వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిప్లై డివైడింగ్ విత్ 9. సో 1 into 9, డబల్ 1 into 9, ట్రిపుల్ 1 into 9, 4 1s into 9 and so on up to n terms. So 6 by 9 into, so 9 means 10 minus 1, అదే పర్పస్ మనకి అలా రైట్ కోసం, ప్లస్ 100 minus 1 ప్లస్ 1000 minus 1 up to n terms. So 6 by 9 into 10 plus 100 means 10 square plus 1000 means 10 cube plus and so on. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and so on n times. So clearly they are in GP, n terms, sum of n terms of GP formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 minus this n. Now see the options. Next is similar problem. The sum of n terms of 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.55 plus and so on up to n terms. Same chapter. First take 5 common, then multiply dividing into 9. 5 common is the 0.1. Okay, 0.1 into 9. 0.1 into 9 and 0.9 plus 0.99 plus 0.999 and so on equal to 5 by 9 into, so then 9 by 10, this is 99 by 100. Right. So then 1 minus 0.1 రాసుకోవచ్చు చూడండి, ప్లస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ 1 minus 0.201 ప్లస్ 1 minus 0.001 and so on. ఇలా వచ్చేస్తుంది. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on n times. 0.1 means 1 by 10, 0.0 means 1 by 100 means 1 by 10 square, 0.001 means 1 by 10 whole cube and so on. So clear, they are in GP, sum of n, there is formula for sum of n terms of GP, 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on n times is n. Similarly, do the problem. 0.7 plus 0.77 plus 0.777 plus and so on. Same for the say sixth one, if x power 8 equal to y power 21 equal to z power 28, then 3 log x base y, comma 3 log y base z, comma 7 log z base x are in dash options for A, B, G, P, H, P, A, G, P, etc. So ఇది ఇలా ఇచ్చేస్తే ఈ మోడల్ చాలా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే ఇలా ఇచ్చేస్తారు, రిక్వైర్డ్ మారిపోతా ఉంటుంది. మెథడ్స్ కూడా మొత్తం 3 మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాటిలో బెస్ట్ మెథడ్ ట్రై చేసి మనం 2 డేస్ మన వేరే మెథడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఈజీ మెథడ్ ఏంటంటే మనకి log x base y means log x by log y. Similarly, log y base z means log y by log z. Log z base x means log z by log x. So first log x by log y అంటే ఇక్కడ taking logarithm on both sides. 18 log x equal to 21 log y. Therefore, from this log x by log y equal to 21 by 18. Log x by log y is log x to the base y. So 21 by 18. Similarly, by equating these two, 21 log y equal to 28 log z to log y by log z equal to 28 by 21. Next, similarly, log z to base x. By equating these two, log 28 into log z equal to 18 into log z. Log z base x means log z by log x means 18 by 28. So 18 by 28. You get the required. So required 3 into log x base y. Log x base y is 21 by 18. 3 ones, 3 sixes, 21 by 6 means 3 sevens, 3 twos. Same. Log y to the base j, 28 by 21. 3 sevens, 7 fours. Third one. Log z to the base x, 18 by 28. 7 fours, 18 by 4 means 9 by 2. Now check they are in AP or GP. Clearly not GP, AP. Second one minus first one. Similarly, third one minus the second one. So 8 minus 7, 1 by 2, 9 minus 8, 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 same. Therefore, they are in AP. Now, mutation formula. Log x by log y equal to log x to the base y. See, seventh one. The GP consists of an even number of terms if the sum of all the terms is 5 times the sum of those terms occupying the odd places, then common ratio is. Number of terms is even. So number of terms 2n అని assume చేసుకుంటున్నా. First term a, second term a, third term a squared. So 2nth term a into r power 2n minus 1. Sum of all terms formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, equal to 5. Next, is equal to 5 times of sum of those terms occupy odd places, means first term plus third term and so on, n terms, total 2n terms of AP. So A into R, and here R value R square, children. Common ratio R square. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay. And then just do. So optionals, see the optionals. 2, 3, 4, 5. What is required? Common ratio. R value required. So on both sides, I want to show. So R power 2n minus 1, R power 2n minus 1 cancel అయిపోతుంది. A value కూడా cancel అయిపోతుంది. So options అవసరం లేదేమో. ఇంకేముంది? 1 by R minus 1 equal to 5 by R square minus 1 means R plus 1 into R minus 1. R minus 1 కూడా cancel. 5 equal to R plus 1. Therefore R equal to 2. R value 2 was there. By substituting this one again, get the value of n. Okay. కనుక్కోవాల్సిన n కదా. మీరు n కనుక్కొని సమ్ అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటారు. కనుక్కోవాల్సిన 2n. Required is number of terms. Number of terms is 2n, not n. Next, 8th one. In a positive GP, if nth term is equal to sum of next to two terms, then common ratio. This is previous problem. See, nth term is equal to sum of next to two terms means Tn equal to Tn plus 1 plus Tn plus 2. Okay. GP, nth term formula. N plus 1th term. N plus second term. On both sides, A cancel. Next, R power n minus 1 cancel. Get quadratic in the variable R. Factors, no linear factors, no irrational factors. Therefore, minus 3 plus R minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2. So, given that positive GP, so minus k is not possible. Plus k is root 5 minus 1 by 2. But options in terms of sin 80, cos 36, etc. So all of you know sin 80 degrees value root 5 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, this is nothing but 2 sin 80 degrees. See, ninth one. An is nth term of GP such that sigma n equal to 1 to 100, A to n equal to alpha, sigma n equal to 1 to 100, A to n equal to beta, then common ratio of GP. Okay. So sequence so when n is 1, sum of ratio GP A1, A2 and so on are in GP. And AR square and so on are in GP. So A to n and when n is 1, A2 and AR second term. A4 and AR cube and so on 100 terms. Okay. So again, sum of 100 terms of GP formula A into and AR. A into R. What is R? Second one by first one and R square. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Formula pronoun చేస్తూ value substitute చేయడం నేర్చుకోండి. So this is alpha. Similarly, this is 2n minus 1. So when n is 1, A1 means A. Next to A3 means AR square and so on. So they are also in GP, sum of 100 terms of GP formula A into R is R square whole power 100 minus 1 by r square minus 1. So this is equal to beta. Now required is a common ratio. Clearly, first one by second one is r of zero. The part మొత్తం same కదా. ఇక్కడేమో ar, ఇక్కడేమో r. Therefore, ar by a అంటే r. Therefore, required common ratio r equal to clearly alpha by beta. See, 10th one. If x equal to n equal to 0 to infinity a power n and y equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity b power n and z equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity ab whole power n. Then Arfmann's relations among x, y and z. So clear. A plus of sine, b plus of cos, sine into cos, sum first is trigonometric ratios lo chese untaru already. X equal to, so clearly open the sigma a power 0 1 plus a plus a square plus a cube plus and so on up to infinity. Sum of an infinite gp formula a by a first term 1 by 1 minus common ratio a. Similarly, y equal to 1 by 1 minus b. Z equal to 1 by 1 minus a. So we have to eliminate a and b because options contain x, y, z only, not a and b. So from this 1 minus a equal to 1 by x. Therefore, a equal to 1 minus 1 by x equal to x minus 1 by x. Similarly, b equal to y minus 1 by y. Now replace a and b. 1 by 1 minus, in the place of a, write x minus 1 by x. In the place of b, write y minus 1 by y. Now simplify, get relation among x, y and z. Now see the options. So with the sums, next class we discuss it.